Hit it.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make and create these big and bold copper wire earrings. These babies are big and they are bold, okay? If you want these earrings to be smaller, the items that I am using to create these with, you will have to use something similar, but something smaller and lesser wire, okay? These earrings can be made smaller. For those of you who don't like big earrings, they can be made smaller. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. So today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a copper wire abstract earring, and I have my copper wire fish hook that I'm going to be attaching to the earring itself. Here are the items that you're going to need for this here how to make video. You're going to need some 16 gauge copper wire, and the length of your copper wire has to be 24 inches long. You're going to need a copper wire fish hook or whatever fish hook that you have. You're going to also need some round nose pliers and your wire cutters. And you're going to need something to make your shape. So I have chosen to use this block. This block is 1 inch thick, okay? So it's pretty much a 1 by 1 all the way around. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now, you don't necessarily have to. Now, these earrings are going to be a pair of big abstract earrings. You don't necessarily have to make yours that big. Make it as big as mine, but whatever you use, you can get yourself a block that is going to be maybe even a little bit smaller, okay? So let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do is you want to cut your copper wire. My copper wire is 24 inches long. Then I think I said that in the beginning, right? Then you want to take and you want to start wrapping your wire. You want to wrap your wire on your block, or whatever you choose to use, okay? And you want to take it and just start it just like this. Hold it. Now, you want to try to make your coils as close together as possible, but if it doesn't work out that way, don't panic, okay? Because you're doing two things at one time. You're wrapping it and you're holding it at the same time as you wrap. Okay, so I'm just doing this right, just like this. I'm just going around. I'm trying to have my coils as close together as possible. And you just want to continue to go around, go all the way around, just like this. You want to go all the way around. Okay, now once you get here, this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just take this off the block. When it comes off, it's going to look like a little spring, okay? Now the next thing you want to do is you want to start You can start on either side, but you're going to start pulling this apart. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to just start pulling it apart like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay. All right, so this is pretty much what you are going to have. All right. Now, this is pretty much your shape. Okay, so this is your shape. This is what you are going to have. This is what you should have, okay? So what we want to do next is we want to pick which side we want to straighten up, okay? You're not going to do both sides. You're just going to pick which side, whatever side you're comfortable with. So I am going to come over on this side, and I'm going to take and straighten out my wire just like this, okay? So you're going to have one piece straight, and this is going to stay bent. Now what you want to do is you want to bring these two together like this. You want to take this piece and place it over top of this piece. So you're going to take it and place it over top just like that. Okay? Place it over top like that. That's going to be over top. This is going to be how your earring is going to be shaped, okay? And then what you want to do next is you want to come here like this, place that like that, and then you want to wrap this one, you want to wrap this piece here around this piece. So you bring this up like this, okay? Bring that up and over. You want to hold it as tight as possible. And then you want to start wrapping this piece over top of this. So you want to go around a couple of times. Okay, just like this. And you want to continue to wrap. Now, in the beginning, it's going to be a little trying, but if you keep at it, you will get it. Okay, just keep wrapping it just like this. All right, and just keep wrapping it. Okay, so here we have it. So this is pretty much going to be the shape of your earring. Now, all you want to do is just straighten it out. Okay? Now, what you want to do next is you want to turn it this way, and you want to take and snip that off. And the back of this kind of sort of got a little, okay, squeeze that together. Now this is going to be the front. I'm going to pinch it over, and I'm going to snip it just like that. And I'm going to make a loop on my earring. Now you can add some gemstones or whatever. The earring doesn't have to be exactly like this. You don't have to, if you don't have to leave it like this. You can add a gemstone at the top. Your choice, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to take my fish hook, and I'm going to put my fish hook on. And that's why I said that these earrings are big. Okay, these are big. These are not, wait a minute, I think I put it on the wrong way. These are not small earrings. Everybody don't like big. but this is your earring. Okay, so this is what you're going to have if you decide, actually this goes this way. Yeah. So here are your abstract earrings. And like I said, if you want to, you can put a gemstone up at the top, or you can wear it just like this. This is very, very lightweight, even though it's big, it's very lightweight. But like I said, if you want to make these and you want them to be smaller, then use a smaller block and lesser wire, okay? Because everybody don't like big earrings, but I love big earrings, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for these videos. I greatly appreciate it so very much. And if this is your very first time here on this platform and you really like what I do, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you thumbs up the videos and share it so that other people can enjoy the content as well. With that being said, I want to say thank you to my new subscribers and my loyal supporters. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.